Welcome to our guided meditation aimed at balancing and harmonizing your body's 7 main chakras. Find a peaceful spot, settle into a comfortable position, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking deep, mindful breaths, allowing each inhalation to draw in calmness and each exhalation to release any tension. Our journey starts at the base of your spine, where the root chakra, or Muladhara, resides. This chakra forms our foundation, representing our sense of stability and security in the physical world. It's essential for our survival instincts and our connection to our physical bodies and the earth. Imagine a radiant red light emanating from the base of your spine, growing stronger and warmer. This light transforms into a blooming red lotus, with its roots extending deep into the earth, anchoring you firmly and securely. As this vibrant red energy envelops you, feel its stabilizing presence grounding you to the here and now. Now, repeat mentally. I am deeply rooted and connected to the earth. Stability and security flow freely in my life. I trust the journey of my life and feel safe within it. My foundation is solid and strong. I am nourished by the earth's abundant energy. Moving upward, we find the sacral chakra, or Svadhisthana, located in your lower abdomen. This chakra is the center of our emotions, desires, creativity, and sexuality. Picture a warm orange glow emanating from your lower abdomen, expanding and brightening with each breath. This orange light blossoms into a radiant lotus, its petals undulating like waves in a serene ocean. The movement is harmonious and filled with creative potential, sparking joy and igniting your passion for life. Now repeat mentally. My creativity blossoms. I embrace my desires. Joy fills my being, and I radiate pleasure and positivity. I honor my body and its needs. Emotions flow through me in harmony. Ascending to the solar plexus chakra, or Manipura, located just above your navel. This is your personal power center, influencing self-esteem, autonomy, and the fire within that drives your motivation and courage. Visualize a brilliant yellow light shining brightly in your solar plexus, growing more luminous and vibrant. This light transforms into a golden lotus, its petals unfurling with strength and energy. Feel this light infusing you with empowerment, illuminating your inner strength and determination. Now, repeat mentally. I wield my personal power with grace and confidence. My self-esteem is robust, and I respect myself deeply. I move through the world with courage and strength. My will is strong, and I pursue my goals with determination. I am worthy of love, respect, and kindness from myself and others. Our journey continues to the heart chakra, or Anahata, in the center of your chest. This chakra is the wellspring of love, compassion, and connection. It bridges the lower chakras with the higher spiritual chakras, embodying our ability to give and receive love freely. Envision a radiant green or soft pink light glowing in your heart space, pulsating with warmth and love. This light blooms into a blossoming lotus, its petals opening wide to embrace the world. Feel this loving energy expanding, connecting you to all living beings with compassion and empathy. Now repeat mentally. I open my heart to give and receive love unconditionally. Compassion for myself and others fills my soul. I release past hurts and embrace the present with love. I connect deeply with the hearts of those around me. Love is the essence of my being, and I share it freely. Moving to the throat chakra, or Vishuddha, located at your throat. This chakra governs communication, expression, and truth. It enables us to voice our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings openly and honestly. Picture a clear blue light at your throat, shining with the clarity of truth. This light blossoms into a vibrant blue lotus, its petals representing the freedom of expression. Feel this energy allowing your voice to flow freely, carrying your truth into the world with confidence. Now repeat mentally. I speak my truth with clarity and integrity. My voice is strong, and my words carry power and kindness. I listen with an open heart and communicate with love and respect. I express my creativity and ideas freely and joyfully. Honesty and authenticity guide my interactions. Ascending further, we reach the third eye chakra, or ajna, situated between your eyebrows. This chakra is the seat of intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. It allows us to see beyond the physical to the deeper truths of our existence. Envision an indigo light illuminating the space between your eyebrows, expanding your perception and understanding. This light morphs into an indigo lotus, its petals unfurling to reveal the eye of wisdom. Feel this energy enhancing your intuition, granting you clear insight and vision. Now repeat mentally. I trust my intuition and the guidance it provides. My vision is clear, and I see all aspects of life with wisdom. I am connected to the deeper truths of my existence. Insight and understanding flow freely through me. I embrace my inner wisdom and allow it to light my path. Finally, we arrive at the crown chakra, or Sahasrara, at the top of your head. This chakra connects us to the divine, the universe, and the infinite. It is the source of spiritual enlightenment and cosmic consciousness. Imagine a luminous violet or white light cascading down from the cosmos into the crown of your head. This light blossoms into a magnificent lotus, its petals opening to the universe's infinite wisdom and love. Feel this divine energy filling you, reminding you of your eternal connection to all that is. Now, repeat mentally. I am one with the universe and its infinite wisdom. Divine love and light guide my journey. I transcend the physical and connect with my higher self. Spiritual enlightenment and understanding are within my reach. I honor the divine within me and all around me. As you move through each chakra, let the colors, visualizations, and affirmations fill you with a sense of well-being, balance, and harmony. Breathe deeply, absorbing the vibrant energy of your aligned chakras. To conclude, take 3 deep breaths, embracing the collective power of your harmonized chakras. Gently open your eyes and welcome back. Carry this sense of equilibrium and clarity into every moment of your day. Thank you for joining me in this comprehensive chakra balancing meditation. May you move forward with your energy balanced, your mind clear, and your heart open.